Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about the zebra. Number 1. Zebras are wild animals. Number 2. Zebras are native to Africa. Number 3. Zebras can run very fast. Number 4. Zebras primarily eat grasses and leaves. Number 5. Zebras have black and white strip coats. Number 6. Zebras live in social groups called harems. Number 7. They belong to the Equidae family. Number 8. Zebras play a role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Number 9. Zebras live on the grasslands and open woodlands, not in tropical forests. Number 10. The average lifespan of a zebra is about 25 years. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.